Hey there, Ivana here, and let's talk about the product that's just coming out called Formula One Commissions. And it's a little bit different approach to affiliate marketing, and a lot of people are actually not utilizing this traffic source that they're talking about. So before we continue, I wanted to tell you what it is. It leverages the power of free Instagram traffic by having influencers put your offers in front of their tens of thousands of followers who not only opt into your squeeze page but will buy your offers, thereby making you commissions. Now, this doesn't work only for JVZoo and Warrior Plus products. It actually works for weight loss, pretty much any niche out there. And I often get asked if there are any upsells, and yes, there are. The first one is done for you campaigns, 10 of those that work well for Instagram and Twitter influencers, and it is priced at $27. Then you get 30 done for you campaigns on Warrior Plus, and that is priced at $47, and it actually gives you Clickbank and Warrior Plus done for you campaigns. And then you also get ability to have resell rights to Formula One commissions, the whole funnel, and keep 100% profits, and that is priced at $77. So let me show you what is included inside Formula One commissions. You are going to get a set of videos that goes into the mindset of how you should approach your business. Then he will explain how it all works. Then the money process, what happens every single time when you put one of these pages together, as they explained inside of this course. Then they explain how to set up squeeze page and giveaway setup, which is what you're giving as soon as they opt in. They are going to explain all the links that you need to put inside of your download page, because this is where you actually make money. If you need cheap hosting, they also share with you how to get one. And then you will need to create really nice looking images, and they explain how to do that with Canva, and it's one of the best tools that I've been using online. Then creating tracking links as well, how to set up everything so you know exactly which campaign is bringing you money, so you can rinse and repeat. And this is how you are going to find the influencers who are going to post for you and actually make you money in the end. So I think the hardest thing about this is starting. First time you do it, it might take about a couple hours to set it up. But once you set it up, then it should be, just 30 to 40 minutes of a little bit of research, finding the right influencers and having them send traffic to you. So it is really that simple, right? Now let me show you exclusive bonuses that I've packed for you. So this is actually something that I've just created for this course, and it is valued at $197. It is a special bonus on how I've been able to dominate many of the leaderboards in this year using a special strategy, and it is something that anyone should be using in their business. It's basically adding additional traffic into my marketing that converts. Then I'm going to give you another very simple method to rank your posts to get true buyer traffic from Facebook. And I've been doing this and I do it from time to time whenever I want to add in more traffic to my promos, and it works very well. And then also I will be giving you a case study of how I've been able to turn $7.62 into $370. I'm actually at around $20 right now with this, and over $1,000 in sales, and that is unbelievable, right? So thank you so much for watching. To get all of this, all you need to do is click on the link right below this video.